Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and your iPhone settings. First, confirm the phone runs iOS 13 or newer. That ensures native pointer support. Next, charge and power on the Bluetooth keyboard or mouse, or connect a USB device through a Lightning or USB-C adapter. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and enable Assistive Touch so the system will accept external pointers. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is discoverable or the adapter is firmly connected before moving to pairing. Now pair and configure the hardware. In Assistive Touch tap devices, then Bluetooth devices to scan, your keyboard or mouse should appear. Tap the device name to pair and type any numeric PIN on the keyboard if requested. This confirms the link. After pairing, return to Assistive Touch settings to tweak pointer color, size, and tracking speed so movement feels natural. Also map primary and secondary buttons to actions you use often. This makes clicking, right-clicking, and modifier combos behave how you expect. Finish by testing and learning quick fixes. Try typing in notes and moving the pointer across apps to ensure keys and clicks register correctly. This confirms both input and pointer mapping. If a device is unresponsive, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the iPhone, then repair the device. This clears common handshake issues. If problems persist, reset Assistive Touch settings and check for an iOS update, because driver and compatibility fixes often arrive in system updates and resolve stubborn bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.